Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning Siri on and confirming mic access so commands actually register. Open Settings, go to Siri and search, enable Listen for Hey Siri, and press Side button for Siri. Once done, make sure the microphone is allowed under Privacy Microphone so third-party and built-in requests work. Then pick a language and voice that suit your accent. This reduces recognition errors. This immediate setup gets you to a working baseline before deeper customization. Next, refine how Siri responds and what it can control. Go to Voice Feedback and choose Always or Control with Ring Switch so you hear confirmations when needed. Then enable Siri suggestions in Search, Look Up, and Lock Screen to let Siri proactively offer help. This improves convenience and prediction. Create shortcuts for repetitive tasks and assign custom phrases. This saves time. Also adjust dictation and typing to match your workflow. Those settings help when you prefer typing versus speaking to Siri. Finally, verify everything by speaking several commands. Call a contact, ask for directions, set a timer, and trigger a shortcut so you see real behavior. Make sure iOS is updated and restart your device to clear transient issues. If a persistent problem appears, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset Keyboard Dictionary or Reset Location and Privacy. Resetting Siri and dictation often fixes recognition problems. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle microphone permissions off and on, then test again to isolate hardware versus settings faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.